He is an American former professional basketball player. He, along with Michael Jordan, played an important role in transforming the Bulls into a championship team and in popularizing NBA around the world during the 1990s. He was born in Hamburg on September 25, 1965. He has 11 older siblings. His mother was 6 feet tall and his father was 6 feet 1 inch. And all of their children were tall, with the Pippen being the tallest. His parents could not afford to send their other children to college. His father worked in paper milk unit, suffering from the stroke that paralyzed his right side, prevented him from walking, and affected his speech. He attended Hamburg High School. Playing point guard, he led his team to the state playoffs and earned all-conference honor as a senior, but was not offered any college scholarship. He began his college playing career at University of Central Arkansas after being discovered by the school's head basketball coach, Don, as a walk-on. Considered one of the greatest small forward of all time, he was named to the NBA All-Defensive First Team 8 consecutive times and the All-NBA First Team 3 times. He was a 7-time NBA All-Star and was the NBA All-Star Game MVP in 1994. He was named one of the 50 greatest players in NBA history during the 1996-97 season and is one of 4 players to have his jersey retired by Chicago Bulls. During his 17-year career, he played 12 seasons with the Bulls, 1 with the Houston and 4 with the Portland, making the postseason 16 straight times. He is the only NBA player to have won the NBA title and Olympic gold medal in the same year twice, having done so in both 1992 and 1996. He was a part of 1992 US Olympic Dream Team, which beat its opponent by average of 44 points. He is 2-time inductee into the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame. The Bulls retired his number 33 on December 8, 2005.